How to complete and optimize your profile. Creating a strong and well-optimized profile is essential to landing great role opportunities on VirtualStaff.ph. Follow these steps to complete your profile and increase your chances of getting hired. After successfully signing up for a talent account, pass the verification and activated the account, you'll be directed to proceed to complete your profile. Creating a strong profile is your first step to landing great role opportunities. Keep your information accurate and honest to boost your chances. Choose your desired position from our curated list or enter your own. Picking the right title helps you get matched with the best opportunities. Select your expertise level based on your experience in the field. This helps match you with the right opportunities. Choose up to 10 skills by entering keywords only. Keep it concise and relevant to your expertise. Enter the name of your school, your field of study, and any degrees or certifications you have earned. Providing accurate details will help showcase your educational background effectively. List your previous work experience, including both local and online. Providing detailed information will help highlight your skills and expertise. Assess your English proficiency by selecting the level that best represents your skills. You also have the option to upload a 30-second voice recording introducing yourself. Uploading a voice recording can help showcase your communication skills to potential employers. Set your preferred monthly salary and employment type to match the full-time or part-time opportunities available on VirtualStaff.ph. Unlike gig work or short-term projects, these are stable roles with real employers. Fill in your personal details to help potential employers get to know you better. You also have the option to upload your updated resume. This is optional but highly encouraged. Make sure your resume is in PDF format to ensure it's easy to read and share. You may also upload a video introduction on your profile, but this is optional and you can proceed to the next part. A professional profile photo can make a big difference in how employers view you. Please upload a clear, close-up photo of your face with a neutral background. This will help you create a positive first impression with potential employers. Please enter your location details, including your street name, city, and zip postal code. We value your privacy, so rest assured that only your city and country will be visible on your profile. Providing this information helps employers understand your location and may influence role matching. Choose who can view your profile by selecting either public or virtual staff users only. If you select public, your profile will be visible to everyone, which could help you get hired faster. If you prefer more privacy, choosing virtual staff users only ensures that only logged-in virtual staff users will be able to see your profile. Part 14 covers Stripe onboarding. When you click the Onboard at Stripe button, a new tab or Stripe page will open, allowing you to enter your bank details for payroll setup. Preview, you're almost done. Review your profile to ensure all details are accurate and complete. Once you're satisfied, submit your profile to go live and start connecting with employers.